Oh, no, I'm being told he stuck his finger in water and in the testing, which I find very suspicious. Yeah, no.
The other number two really bad.
Nobody does that.
And I was trying to take
Court is calling 2023 CR 0889, State of Texas versus Stephen Wayne Walbarker. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Ron Ross for defense.
Are you Stephen Walbarker? You entered a plea on June 15th, guilty to count 2. According to the plea bargain agreement, punishments be assessed at 8 years in the prison. The state is silent on your application. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report? State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, we have, Judge. And by the way, it's a cap of 8 years.
Ah,
Yes, and state is silent, Judge.
all right. If y'all want to, oh yeah, it is a cap of 8. Okay. And the state is silent. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report? State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
We have, judges, just one correction or
Yes.
in the TAP evaluation down about toward the end of it said that he's continued to use marijuana since he was arrested. And he says that's not true. He said since he's arrested, he was using it before, but since that he hasn't used it. That's what he tells me.
Well, we can't get a UA because
I know.
he stuck his hand in the cup. Nobody does that. I don't know anybody who would purposely or accidentally stick their hand in a cup of urine.
I just did, but there was no urine, ma'am. I just grabbed the cup. I didn't even.
Yeah, nobody does that. You wasted a UA in this court.
I can.
So, counsel, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I would say that he's 55. And I think his report, he's got child support obligations. He lives, I don't know that he's not diagnosed as mental slowness, but it seems to be. And his jobs, he's not had real good jobs right now. He works at a cook, but he is employed. He's been employed, and I don't know that at this point in time, sentencing the prison is going to really make much difference or correct his behaviors. I would ask you to make him do outpatient treatment. Let's see if give him a chance. I mean, I agree with you. I think it's kind of ridiculous what he says, but give him outpatient.
Oh, I would tell you, counsel, outpatient treatment is going to be out of the question. He's going into custody today. So either he's going to prison or either he's going to treatment. Those are his choices. Either he's going to safety. I know they're recommending SADC, but for someone to purposely invalidate a test, that tells me a little bit where he is with regards to his sobriety. So either you have a choice. You can go to safety or you can go to prison. If you wish to go to prison, I will sentence you to 4 years. Which do you choose, prison or treatment?
I'll take treatment.
All right. The court will sentence you to 8 years in the prison. Thank you. Suspended and probated for 8 years. Take in consideration 2023 CR 0888. Got to sentence you to Safe P, followed by aftercare. There's to be proof of employment within 45 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be the UA hotline upon release. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. And if everything is going well with the field visits, probation, I'm going to want random field visits after that, and you'll be able to pick how often you wish to do that. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, anything else?
Anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. 21 CR 5216, State of Texas versus Delphina Spiller. Can our parties announce for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
Valerie Headland.
And are you Ms. Spiller?
Yes, I am.
Showing you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilty and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
Are you the same Delphina Spiller who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 5216 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on September 10th, 2021 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, that's me.
State?
Violated condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Delphina Spiller, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of July and August 2022 in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State?
Your Honor, we waive and abandon the other violations alleged.
Any objections?
No.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, I do.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes, I do.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Judge, there's not a proposed agreement. We were going to recommend 5 years. And I believe the defense would like to ask for an alternative to that, Judge.
All right. Defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, without going into so many details and background on this, and certainly not to offer excuses, Your Honor. I did meet with Ms. Spiller for a long time last week. She has had some serious health issues starting about the time that she did last reported to probation. And it had her in and out of the hospital from around June, July of 2022. September, they finally diagnosed her. And then she went septic and went into the hospital for 3 weeks in November. I would just ask that she not be sentenced to TDC. I realize there's not really an alternative placement for her, like treatment, because she has charges pending in Comal that I can't really do anything. I don't have any influence in those cases. So we're just asking the court to, if it were sentence her, revoke her, but put her back on probation since she's never been to TDC.
All right, Ms. Spiller, there are consequences for actions. I am going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine, time and money rent concurrent. If you would like, I can ask that you be placed in the therapeutic community. I have no jurisdiction for you to be placed in the therapeutic community. You'll have to ask for it as well. But the therapeutic community is helpful in any type of drug issues that anyone may have. Would you like me to request the therapeutic community?
Yes.
All right, I'll request the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
I did.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? Because this is I'm sorry, you need to speak up.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. You're going to have to do better, okay? All right, thank you. 22 CR 0491, State of Texas versus Jeffrey A. Adames. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks in the state of Texas.
Defense.
Jay Moritz, Your Honor, for Mr. Adame.
And are you Mr. Adame?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your last name Adame or Adames?
Adames.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Jeffrey A. Adames who was placed on community supervision for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on February 23rd, 2022 for a term of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State.
Violated condition number 28, on or about the first day of May 2023 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Jeffrey A. Adames, did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Lifetime Recovery Substance Abuse Treatment Facility, and that the defendant prematurely departed the program without permission in violation of condition number 28.
And Bashan, he's going on 28. To that, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
All right. How much longer did he have in lifetime recovery? Will lifetime recovery accept him back or no?
Your Honor, that would be something I'd have to research.
All right. So this is what I'll do. If you want, I will sentence you to prison for 2 years, or I will send you to SATA. And if lifetime recovery will accept you back, then it'll be lifetime recovery if they accept him back. If they won't, he'll go to SATA.
At this point, I really don't think lifetime recovery would be the best option. I
Okay.
think we would need something a little more structured.
All right. So it will be SATA. So you can go to prison for 2 years, or either you can go to SATA. Which would you prefer? All right. I'll deny the motion. Alter and amend conditions.
Yeah.
To include SATA. Followed by aftercare. And I'm going to want the UA hotline upon release. And that's to be until further notice. Is there anything else you need from the court so that I won't see you back up here again with the motion to revoke? Probation, is there anything else he needs? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.